If you are having a hard time raising capital, try this.
As a real estate investor, raising capital used to feel impossible. I bought courses, I begged friends and family, I chased money everywhere, and to be honest, I was ready to give up. Then I discovered something different: crowdfunding. Yes, at first I thought it was just another GoFundMe donation, but this is not. These are real people helping the community own communities. People like Flavio, who use crowdfunding to help Hispanic Americans invest and own real estate. He was able to crowdfund over $1 million on his first try. People like Tracy. She used her crowdfund to help women build and own hotels. People like Rob. He used his crowdfund to buy 233 homes to help inmates get back on their feet. They all followed the ACS formula: attract investors, create a list of what your crowd wants to invest in, then only shop for what your crowd wants. Using this formula can help you to stop chasing money and allow money to come to you. Inside the Launch Your Crowdfund Challenge, we'll walk you through this ACS formula step by step so you can raise capital the right way. Click the link now to join the Launch Your Crowdfund Challenge. In 1 week, you'll have a system that attracts investors and raises capital for you on autopilot.